In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive quiz in Gemini AI, a hidden feature that many might not be aware of. Whether you're a teacher looking to engage your students or just curious to try something new, this guide will walk you through the entire process, step by step. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google. It's a simple start, but it's where everything begins. Once you're there, type Google Gemini into the search bar. This will direct you to the search results page where you should see the Google Gemini website. Don't forget to click on it to navigate to Gemini's main site. Navigating these initial steps with precision ensures you're in the right place from the outset. Upon entering the website, you'll want to go ahead and look for the Tools option. Clicking on Tools will take you to an area where you can access various features, one of which is the canvas. Once there, hit the Canvas button. This is essentially your digital workshop where all the magic will happen. With the canvas at your disposal, your next task is to create a prompt. Type, "Generate me a quiz about branches of science" into the prompt section. It's essential to be clear and concise with your request, because this ensures that the AI understands exactly what you need and will provide the most accurate results for your quiz. Precision in your prompt can make a significant difference in the quality of the quiz questions generated. After you've entered your prompt, find the Submit button and click on it. Submitting your prompt will initiate the AI's quiz generation process. In just a few moments, you'll have a set of quiz questions ready for you. It's all about letting the AI do the heavy lifting while you supervise its progress. Now comes the fun part, testing your quiz. Hit the Let's Test button to open the quiz itself. This is where you can simulate the quiz experience before anyone else sees it. Take the time to try to answer the questions presented. Engaging with your quiz is crucial as it allows you to verify the accuracy and suitability of the content. This is your chance to make any adjustments if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the results, you're all set to launch your quiz. Remember, these quizzes can be a great tool for educational purposes or just a fun way to challenge your friends. They're interactive, engaging, and a great way to leverage AI in learning or entertainment. So there you have it. Creating an interactive quiz in Gemini AI is not only straightforward with careful execution of steps as described, but also quite an innovative way to utilize AI technology. I hope you enjoyed learning how to use this hidden feature and that it brings a new level of excitement to your projects.